The new My Artsway. Today we're talking about the new order entry portion of the portal. To navigate to this, you'll find order entry on the left-hand side of your tab. Once you select this, you'll notice that a few things automatically fill in for you. It'll have your CS customer number for a service parts order, and it'll fill in your main store address for the ship to location. So the first thing we'll want to do is if you have a PO number. Say you have a designated one, you want to use your own name, a customer name, or today's date. And then next up is the channel. So this is what type of order it is. This defaults to a regular service parts order, so something you want to put on your shelf, have on hand, or it's for a customer who's just looking to repair their machine. The other options are a machine down order, so they have a machine that's not functioning, they need their parts right away. Or the stock order, these are the larger orders underneath of our program, and then whole goods for a later time. And then for owner contact, this is for your end user. So this is to make sure if you have a retailed service part that you identify it with the right customer. So we will just put their name in here and their email address and their phone number. And then over here, we have allow partial shipments is check marked. So this means you want us to ship what we have on hand at the moment. If you uncheck this, that means you want to wait until we have everything on hand and ship it all together. And then the ship via method is how you want us to ship it. It defaults to best way, so Artsway will choose the most affordable and the quickest route to you. We also have FedEx, UPS, and Speedy on all the different options for those, as well as regular freight as well. And then in our comment section, you can leave us any notes you want to talk about with the order. So say you'd like this new order to ship with an order you already placed. So you can write that in. Or any notes you would like our customer service staff to have. And then what's left is to add what parts we're looking for. So then we come down here to items and click add item. And then you can start typing in the part number you're looking for. And so we're looking for bevel gear, so we found our bevel gear, and it gives us our list price and how many we have on hand. So then we'll put in how many we're looking for, and we'll click add. Then you'll notice that item shows up here, and then it'll also give you an estimated completion date. So if we didn't have one on hand, this is where you would see an estimated date. Then we have a couple other buttons over here. For edit, this is if you want to change a quantity. So say we want 2 instead, and then we'll want to save our changes. Or you can get rid of this line completely by clicking the delete button. So we'll go ahead and add another item. We'll just add the same one. All right, now say we don't want this to ship to our store. We want it to ship straight to Mike Brown here. So we'll click on the ship to, and we'll scroll all the way up and click add new. And then we'll fill in his information. Including his phone number, address, and then it defaults to the US. So if you're in Canada, make sure you change that to get that added. And then you click add. And then you'll see that ship to address has been updated up here. And then once you're complete with your order, you want to say place order. And then it'll give you a confirmation message saying the order's been submitted, and it'll give you your sales order number, which is this AWS 49730. And that's how you submit an order.